Start. The Director, Education Basic, Government of Uttar Pradesh, White letter dated 30/10/2013, directed the Joint Director, Education Basic, Ayodhya Division, Ayodhya, to hold an inquiry for making payment of more than 50 lakhs to the three petitioners in pursuance of the interim order dated 21/2/2005. In the inquiry report, the Joint Director of Education said that the BSA, vide his order dated 17/6/2013, directed the manager principal of the institution to ensure compliance of the interim order dated 21/2/2005, and the copy of the said letter was also given to the petitioners. The BSA made an inspection of school on 4/5/2013 and inspected the attendance register of the school and obtained photocopy thereof. It was found that besides the persons working against sanctioned posts in another register, Srimati Sarita Singh and Srimati Suman Tripathi made signatures. However, petitioner Srimati Noor Jahan was not found to have even signed the register, and she was not working in the school at all. Despite this, she was also made payment by the Finance and Accounts Officer, Basic Education, Ambedkar Nagar, and he had written a letter seeking permission for making further payments to all the petitioners. The Joint Director said that release of payment in favor of Srimati Sarita Singh and Srimati Suman Tripathi without there being any sanctioned post would come within the purview of financial irregularities committed by the officials. The BSA was directed to ensure appropriate legal action in the matter. After the departmental inquiry, a first information report came to be registered on 17/1/2005 on a written complaint of the BSA, Ambedkar Nagar, against Mr. K.K. Pandey, the then Finance and Accounts Officer in the office of BSA, Ambedkar Nagar, under section 409 IPC at Police Station Akbarpur, District Ambedkar Nagar. The Finance and Accounts Officer Mr. K.K. Pandey was instrumental in making payment against the forged documents, and he had also made payment of more than 25 lakhs to one Mr. Ram Roop Yadav, assistant teacher of Adarsh Janta Junior High School, Rasulpur, Ambedkar Nagar, and in the inquiry it was found that no appointment was approved of the said persons by the BSA, and the bills regarding payment were found to be forged, and for the said offence the case was pending against him. These documents have been brought on record by way of an affidavit dated 23/8/2016 filed by the BSA, Ambedkar Nagar. However, no response to the said affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioners. The documents which were never brought on record along with the writ petition were subsequently brought on record by way of amendment and supplementary affidavit, which have been found to be forged. Supplementary affidavit dated 15/9/2016 was filed by the petitioners to bring on record an alleged letter dated 18/2/1990 sent by the management of the institution to the BSA, stating therein that at that time the strength of the students was 288, and therefore request was made to create 4 more posts of assistant teacher. It is further said that the management of the institution had written to the BSA a letter dated 9/4/2005 stating therein that void letter number 3019 dated 15/12/1990 the permission for starting new sections and its approval was granted. Void order dated 8 to 1992. However, nothing was done and therefore request was made for creation of the post. It is strange that after 15/12/1990, when the alleged permission was granted for opening new sections more than 13 years thereafter, the request was made for creation of 4 posts of assistant teachers. It was further said that a similar request was made again, void letter dated 9/5/2005. If the permission for opening new sections was granted on 15/12/1990 and the said sections were approved, this court does not find any justification for writing the letter for creation of posts on 9/4/2005, that is, after 13 years. These documents, which at no point of time were placed along with regard of the writ petition, are shrouded in mystery and under deep clouds of suspicion. If the petitioners had all these documents when the writ petition was filed, they would have certainly placed them on record